We often hear about quick fixes and overnight transformations. The allure of instant results is tempting, but the reality is often far from these promises. True change, especially when it comes to our health, takes time and consistency. It's about showing up every day, even when it's hard, and committing to a routine that fosters gradual improvement. It's about building small habits that compound over time, leading to remarkable results. Each day, each effort, no matter how small, contributes to a larger picture of health and well-being. This is what I discovered when I embarked on a simple yet powerful challenge. A 5-minute plank every day for 30 days. It seemed like a small commitment, but it promised significant rewards. Now, I'm not a fitness fanatic. I'm just an everyday person looking to improve my health in a manageable way. I'm someone who believes in the power of small, sustainable changes. I knew that drastic measures often lead to burnout, so I opted for a more practical approach. The plank, a seemingly simple exercise, became my daily ritual, a testament to the idea that consistency triumphs over intensity. Each day I dedicated just 5 minutes to this exercise, and it became a cornerstone of my fitness routine. This is the story of my 30-day plank challenge, a journey that transformed not just my core strength, but also my mindset towards challenges and the power of small habits. Through this challenge, I learned that real progress is made through consistent effort, and that even the smallest actions can lead to significant changes over time. 5 minutes might not seem like much, but try holding a plank for that long, and you'll quickly realize it's no walk in the park. My first attempt was far from graceful. My muscles started trembling within seconds. My mind raced, urging me to give up. The seconds felt like minutes as I fought to maintain the correct form, my core screaming in protest. But I persisted, driven by a simple goal: to see this challenge through. Little did I know that those 5 minutes would become a daily lesson in resilience, pushing me beyond my perceived limits. The first week was the hardest. Every day felt like a battle against my own body. My muscles ached, my mind searched for excuses to quit, and that 5-minute plank felt like an eternity. But something interesting happened amidst the struggle. Each day I managed to hold the plank for a few seconds longer. That tiny improvement, that small victory, fueled my motivation. I realized that the challenge wasn't just physical, but mental. It was about overcoming the voice in my head that said, "Give up," and proving to myself that I was capable of more than I thought. As the days turned into weeks, something remarkable happened. The trembling subsided, replaced by a newfound strength in my core. The once dreaded plank became almost enjoyable, but the benefits extended far beyond my abdominal muscles. I noticed improvements in my posture. My back felt stronger, my balance improved, and even my overall energy levels seemed higher. It was as if this simple exercise was having a ripple effect, strengthening not just my core, but also my overall well-being. Section 5, Planking, a Foundation for Life. Imagine a house built on a shaky foundation. The walls would crack, the floors would creak, and the entire structure would be at risk of collapsing. It would be a constant source of worry and instability. It wouldn't be very stable, would it? The slightest tremor or gust of wind could cause significant damage. The same principle applies to our bodies. The same goes for our bodies. Without a strong foundation, we struggle to maintain balance, our posture suffers, and we become more prone to injuries. Everyday activities become challenging, and our overall quality of life diminishes. Our core muscles are our foundation, supporting our spine, improving balance, and influencing everything from our posture to our ability to move with ease. These muscles include the transverse abdominis, rectus abdominis, obliques, and the muscles of the lower back. Planking is like building a rock-solid foundation for our bodies. By holding the plank position, we engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, creating a strong and stable core. It strengthens the deep core muscles, those essential but often neglected muscles that play a crucial role in our overall health and stability. These muscles are responsible for maintaining proper alignment and supporting our movements. Just as a strong foundation is essential for a sturdy house, a strong core is crucial for a healthy, resilient body. With a strong core, we can perform daily tasks with ease, reduce the risk of injuries, and enhance our athletic performance. So, let's make planking a part of our regular fitness routine and build a foundation for life. Section 6. The science behind the plank. The benefits of planking are not just anecdotal, they're backed by science. Studies have shown that regular planking can strengthen core muscles, improve posture, reduce back pain, and even boost metabolism. When we engage in a plank, we activate muscles throughout our entire body, from our shoulders to our glutes, forcing them to work together in perfect harmony. This coordinated muscle activation helps improve stability, balance, and overall functional strength. The plank is a full-body exercise disguised as a simple core workout, offering a multitude of benefits that extend far beyond a flat stomach. Section 7. Sarah's story. From slouching to standing tall. Let me introduce you to Sarah, a busy professional who, like many of us, spent hours hunched over a computer. Her days were filled with meetings, deadlines, and endless emails, leaving her little time to think about her posture. She suffered from chronic back pain, her posture was poor, and she felt constantly fatigued. The long hours at her desk took a toll on her body, and she often found herself reaching for painkillers just to get through the day. Desperate for a solution, Sarah decided to incorporate a daily 5-minute plank into her routine. She had read about the benefits of planking and hoped it could help alleviate her discomfort. The first few weeks were challenging, but Sarah persevered. Holding the plank position was tough, and there were days when she wanted to give up. However, she reminded herself of her goal and pushed through the initial discomfort. Gradually, she noticed a remarkable transformation. Her core strength improved, making it easier to maintain the plank position. She also started to feel less strain on her back and shoulders. Her back pain began to subside, her posture improved, and she felt a newfound energy she hadn't experienced in years. The simple act of planking had a ripple effect on her overall well-being. Sarah's story is a testament to the transformative power of consistent planking, proving that even a small commitment can lead to significant improvements in health and well-being. Her journey from slouching to standing tall serves as an inspiration to anyone looking to make a positive change in their life. By dedicating just a few minutes each day to planking, Sarah not only improved her physical health but also boosted her confidence and mental clarity. Her experience highlights the importance of taking small, consistent steps towards better health and how these steps can lead to profound and lasting changes. Section 8. Your fitness journey starts today. You don't need fancy equipment or hours of free time to start your fitness journey. All you need is the willingness to commit to a small, achievable goal, like a 5-minute plank each day. Start small, focus on consistency, and celebrate your progress along the way. Remember, fitness is not a destination, it's a journey, and every step, no matter how small, brings you closer to a healthier, stronger you. What are you waiting for? Your fitness journey begins today. Section 9. Embrace the challenge, reap the rewards. The 30-day plank challenge taught me that the most rewarding journeys often begin with a single step, or in this case, a single plank. It's about embracing the challenge, pushing beyond our comfort zones, and discovering the incredible strength we possess within. The rewards of consistency extend far beyond physical changes. It's about building mental resilience, cultivating discipline, and proving to ourselves that we are capable of achieving anything we set our minds to. So embrace the challenge, savor the journey, and witness the transformative power of small, consistent actions. Section 10. What will your 30-day challenge be? We all have areas in our lives where we want to improve, goals we want to achieve, or habits we want to build. The 30-day challenge, whether it's planking, meditating, or reading for 30 minutes each day, is a powerful tool for personal growth. What will your 30-day challenge be? Choose something that excites you, something that aligns with your goals, and commit to it wholeheartedly. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today and watch yourself transform. Section 11. A final thought. The 5-minute plank challenge wasn't just about building a stronger core, it was about building a stronger me. It was a testament to the power of small habits, consistent effort, and the incredible things our bodies and minds are capable of achieving when we set our minds to it. So, the next time you're feeling unmotivated or overwhelmed, remember the simple yet profound lesson of the plank. Small, consistent actions compounded over time can lead to remarkable transformations. What small step will you take today to create a better tomorrow?